Show, the entertaining Coco Show. What do you buy, YouTube? Proudly presented by Coco.
See that, everyone? We're currently in a snowstorm, and the door is filled with snow. So we'll go out there and see what it's like. Stepping out here, look at that. It's already covered in snow. Today is February the 17th, Family Day, and we're getting this snowstorm. Many more of 2014. Look at that. The whole driveway is filled. And being that I'm outside and just snow is just coming into my face, it's pretty snowy. Pretty snowy outside. It's snowing a lot. And I'm just gonna go to the street and see how much snow is falling so far. Feels like we were already getting rid of the snow and more snow is coming. Oh yeah, look at that. Snow is just falling. And I'm out here, and it feels like I'm just getting attacked by the snow. And it feels like the snow feels like it's like so cold that the snow is like turning into ice. Yeah, it feels like a little bit of ice. It's like ice pellets, but very small ice pellets. It feels like it's the snow. It's like freezing by the time it actually reaches the ground. And cars are going very slowly now. It's about time. Cars are just... Sometimes when people are driving, they're very rude because they don't really realize that the sidewalks are very slippery. And they'll just go fast. It doesn't matter if you're on the roads, walking on the road, because it's a lot clearer than the sidewalks. But they just don't really care about who walks on the road. Look over here. Even the trees are covered. Someone's trying to get into their driveway. It's funny. So my question is to everyone. Oh, you hear the cars trying to get their driveway. My question is for everyone, where you guys are living, where you guys are right now, is it snowing and is there a snowstorm right now? If so, leave me a comment below telling me where you guys are and if you guys are having a snowstorm. Talk to you guys all later. Peace out.